Hi, I'm Murray, also known as Creative Man here on Fiverr. In this gig, I'll run a paid Facebook ad campaign to grow your Facebook business page. By having more likes on your page will be found higher in Facebook search. People will view your page brand as an authority and take you seriously. Your conversion rates will be much higher than if your page has only a few thousand likes. And your page will start to grow naturally because of people's herd mentality. You just set me to admin of your Facebook page and I'll run the campaign in my own Facebook ad account till we reach your target number of likes. The reason I can run your ad campaign so efficiently is that I'll be targeting a global audience. The strategy is I'll help grow your page in the most efficient way possible to 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, or even 1 million people. This gives you a base of credibility to work with. You can then run a more targeted growth campaign which will convert better as your page already has a sizable audience. When you run ad campaigns to send people to your offers, you can be a lot more targeted and get a higher conversion rate. If, however, you want a targeted audience to start with, the more targeted it is, the higher the price will be to grow your page. This gig is a fully done-for-you service to grow your Facebook page. Order today. First time buyers, please message me first before ordering. I've run thousands of page like campaigns over the years and have over 25 frequently asked questions